Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in the good kitchen. So we have some boneless chicken thighs. I'm about to put these together. So we'll go ahead and start them off on the stove, and then we'll go throw them in the oven. So all my good dudes out there that ain't too familiar with the kitchen and want to start making it happen, this is how I started right here. Bacon chicken. You just want to make sure you put all your vegetables with it. So the season I'm using, some Italian seasoning. Some garlic powder. You know, if you want to put something together for your lady, family, whoever you want to cook for, or for yourself. And we're going to use 1 chicken bouillon, tomato. There we go right there. Chicken bouillon, tomato. So we'll go ahead and drop that in there. Boom. And then we'll go use some of this good chicken marinade. All purpose. Okay. And go ahead and get that chicken bouillon all broken up into that chicken. Mix it in. Just like that. Just break that chicken bouillon on that. And for the ladies too, you know, that's not too much around the kitchen. It's just a nice, easy recipe that you can cook for you and your family. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and cover this up. And I'm going to start prepping my vegetables. And I'll see you in 45 minutes. Alright, so we're going to use a little vegetable oil. That's all we need right there. That's all we need. Vegetable oil. Alright, so you want this oil to go ahead and heat up. Alright, so now go ahead and set our chicken in there. So I have my oven preheated on 350. Make sure to get that oil. Okay. I'm gonna move it around, make sure it get a nice little cut. Now remember, get you some of that good all-purpose chicken marinade. You can find it at your nearest Asian store. So we're just gonna get us a nice color on each side, a nice little cook on each side. Then we're gonna throw it in the oven on 350. Okay, so I just turned them over. So now we'll go ahead and add our vegetables. We have some onions right here, white onion. Bell pepper, green bell pepper. Now you can see our, big size potato, nice size. I'm gonna give it a nice, cool cook. You don't want them falling apart too much, because you want them to be soft. You also want to make sure your chicken is done. Put the rest of that white onion. Yeah, green bell pepper. We'll go ahead and season the potato, garlic powder, and Italian. Now we're gonna add our chicken broth. We just want to cover up that chicken. We'll let everything else come together. Put that top on there. And it's going to the oven on 350, just like that with the top on. So I see you probably like a good hour 20 minutes. Okay, so we have 15 minutes left on the timer. So I want to check it and see how we doing. Let's see how this food coming out. Oh yeah, see that? Potato. It's going right through the potato. Yep. So the potatoes is done. Look, right in there. Potatoes done. Dinner is ready. Look, dinner is ready for real. Chicken is done also. So that's it right there. Now for the rest of the remaining time, 15 minutes, we can go ahead and throw it back in the oven with the top off and get a little color on the potatoes. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get a little color on the potatoes. Then we'll get this good food on a nice plate. An hour and 20 minutes, that's all you need. For all my good dudes out there, this is how I'm cooking in the kitchen. It's easy. This is an easy recipe right here. Now we talking. Had to pour some of that juice on there, throw it back in the oven. Now we're gonna put it on a nice plate. Dinner is done. Okay, so here we go right here. I made it happen again. It's good kitchen. A nice, delicious, easy recipe. And like I said, all y'all good dudes out there, you wanna make something happen? Man, just throw it in the oven, no matter what it is. It could be chicken, steak, ribs, whatever. Throw your vegetables with it, your onions, your bell peppers, your garlic cloves, your mushrooms. Let it all come together. Nice little seasoning. But other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.